Hey everyone, I am going to be doing a great video for you today featuring this interesting mannequin we have here. And this video is in partnership with LeVividHair.com, which to me are the best hair units or hair systems you can get. If you are a professional, whether you're a hairstylist or a barber, and you are looking to use these for your clients, go to LeVivid Hair's Instagram page, DM them and reach out to Tina. She is amazing, very, very helpful and very supportive, and just mention the Salon Guy sent you. If you are a consumer looking to place an order on LeVividHair.com, use code TheSalonGuy for 15% off, and that includes everything on the site, and they have a full range of tools and not only the systems, but what you need to put the system on, like the glues and the removal products, and a great variety of things. So definitely, I highly suggest LeVivid Hair. So what you're seeing here is a blonde mannequin that was a custom-made mannequin that has very, very thin hair on top. And this may be somewhat common for a lot of you. May not have the hair this long or look kind of like this, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to transform this mannequin into a completely new look using, which is probably my personal favorite hair unit from LeVivid, and that is the one that I was wearing a number of months ago, which is the thin skin poly base, and it's a very kind of neutral, almost beige blonde color. And I had picked that one out to really look best on me based off of my natural color, and when my hair was a lot longer and I was younger, it was a blonde color, so I said, let's create a blonde mannequin and use that blonde system. So this mannequin, however, the hair is quite a bit lighter than the hair system. So what I want to do is create a very modern, trendy type of haircut where we're going to take this down relatively short throughout the sides and the back and create kind of like an undercut, disconnected look, because you can wear those types of styles if you're wearing a hair system. And depending on the kind of look you want, you know, you may be a younger guy experiencing hair loss or hair thinning, and you want to still look kind of modern and cool. Well, you can achieve those looks very, very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by shaving all this existing hair, right, and creating my outline. Then I'm going to fit the unit and do the whole process step by step. So you're going to listen to some great music, you're going to watch and follow along. I'm going to do the haircut, and then we'll break it down at the end. Okay everyone, here is the finished result, and as you can see, this looks awesome. I think this really, despite the hair on the bottom being much lighter than the top, I really think this came out incredible. So as far as the process itself, what I did, and I think this is probably after even experimenting and learning, I think using a razor blade, right, to kind of carve out the system is the best way to go. And how I did that was I applied the glue, I did the whole process, laid everything over, and then held the hair up and used a razor. You can get these anywhere, Amazon or anything, and this is probably for barbering razors, so that's how you're gonna get these. This one was already cut in half. I held up the hair and saw where the disconnection was, where the scalp met the natural hair, and then I used the razor and just lightly cut along and was able to get a really nice clean cut right along the edge here, okay, which keeps it looking very, very natural. And then once that was on, I cut the unit, creating, you know, almost like a traditional undercut where I established the length first in through here all the way around. I did go a bit shorter into longer, right, going this way, because I think it's always best to have a little bit longer in front anyway for shapes like this, because when you brush the hair back, what's going to happen is it's going to want to fall forward, so you just want to have these pieces kind of coming down. And everybody seems, or a lot of people at least, want to know how to get the pieces or the separation, or that could be the product. Like I used my grooming hair paste to get this. That creates a little separation and a little bit of pieciness, and also using your fingers and going in and styling it like this and really just accentuating those pieces that you want to have stand out a little bit more. And then on this side, as you can see, really shows off that nice triangular shape, which is going shorter into longer this way. Now, even though it's an undercut, right, and even though we have a pretty symmetrical or asymmetrical type of haircut, you may think it's easy, but what I did do is I did layer the top here, and you want to make sure you do create some sort of layering so that the hair has a little bit of flow to it, because if it doesn't have layers, it's just one big heavy mess on the top of, you know, your hair on your head. It's just not gonna, it's really not gonna look right. And that's the key for this type of shape. In order to get that volume right in through this front area in through here, you need to have some layering, okay? And I think, again, as you can see the hairline right in through here, the way I like to cut hairlines is very, very natural, where it's not just a straight across sharp hairline. That's the key to making it look the best. And whoever is cutting your unit, or if you're cutting it yourself, do not just outline it and carve and cut out way back here. The way these are made are that it has excess skin right in the very, very front. Just cut off that excess skin right, or the poly base, right until the hair starts. And that's going to give you the most natural looking hairline. What I see a lot of times is people just creating the perimeter here, and they're cutting so far back into the hairline that it looks just so solid and looks so unnatural and thick. And I think that's just, to me, you know, my whole goal, and I think the point of something like this is to make it look very realistic and not look like you're wearing a system. So the hairline to me came out unbelievable. The whole unit looks great. It's got a nice flow to it. And I think this is an awesome look. And this is a very, very trending type of haircut. This whole e-boy, kind of look is great, paired up with an undercut. And I think this looks great. Once again, LeVividHair.com. That is my partner for today's video and all my hair system videos. So go to LeVividHair.com, use code TheSalonGuy, and you get 15% off your order. That's LeVividHair.com, code TheSalonGuy for 15% off, which is an amazing deal. Thank you, Tina, and thank you, everybody at LeVivid Hair, for offering this to the viewers here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.